Find an easy seat and bring the wheel a little bit away from the hips. Lay back and interlace the fingers behind the head. If this is comfortable, you can lift the chin and let the elbows fall out to the side. Find deep breathing. If this is comfortable and you want a little more, interlace the fingers and reach the hands overhead. You can keep the chin tucked or let the head fall back to the wheel. For shoulder extension, reach the hands behind the wheel. And as you let the hips drop towards the mat, if it's a little too much, simply lift the hips, scoot the shoulders back. For counter stretch, simply lower the hips, reach the arms overhead. And if you like, you can bind the fingers to the inside of the wheel and bring the elbows down towards the mat. In child's posture, bring the hands to the top of the wheel and push down into the thumb mounds. Let the head relax between the arms and reach the forehead towards the mat. For deeper variation, lift the hips over the knees for puppy posture and bring the thumbs to the top of the wheel, pushing down. Let the head sink between the biceps and the forehead reach for the mat. Working with shoulder adduction, you bring the top of the forearm to the top of the wheel, and with the other hand, push down into the forearm as you lower the shoulder towards the mat. This should feel like a nice, gentle twist in the upper spine. If you'd like to go a little bit further, you can bring the hand to the front of the wheel as you lower the shoulder down and kind of drive the wheel away as you lower the head of the shoulder down. Might feel nice to even bring the side of the face down to the mat. For shoulder abduction, come all the way to the belly and bring the wheel straight out from the shoulder. Take the palm of the hand and push down into the wheel. And then use the other hand to gently roll the body open. I bring the lower knee up towards my forearm just to keep my body propped up on the side.